Hello there everyone. In this tutorial we're going to show you how to destroy the white from around an image. Let's say you have we're going to open a file here and get started. So let's say you have this image, clipart type image with white around it, and you want just the image, and you want to get rid of the white around the image, so use it say in a poster or on a web page or something of that nature. And you don't want it to look like a block of white around the image. We're going to convert that to a transparency in these areas, so we're going to open this VW Beetle file and show you how that's done. So here's our file. There are a couple of ways to get rid of white from an image. The first is going to get rid of all of the white in the image. So in order to do this method, it's sort of a two-step process. The first process is to add an alpha channel to this base layer right here. And we're going to do that by going to Layer, Transparency, and Add Alpha Channel. And that just allows us to add transparency to a layer. Don't have to do that every time if you've created the layer with transparency initially, but this one was not. It's created as a BMP layer with no transparency. So we're going to add the alpha channel. And the second step is to go to Colors and turn a color to alpha. And we're going to turn white to alpha in this case. And notice it's going to take all of the white from the image and remove it. This would work if, let's say, you're going to put the image on a t-shirt or something like that that already has white underneath it. This may not work in all cases though, so we're going to say OK. It's taking the color from this palette right here, white, and you can choose any color to remove with this method, but in this case we're taking white. Say OK. And notice all the white has disappeared from the image. The second way is just to get rid of the white from the outer areas, and I'm going to undo what I just did, Control Z, or if you're on a Mac, Command Z. Notice we're back to where we started. In this case, I'm going to use the Fuzzy Select tool. And again, I have to make sure that I have an alpha channel, and I do. Notice that Add Alpha Channel is grayed out, so I do have the alpha channel. Click on the white area that I want. Make sure that your mode is in Replace the Current Selection for the Fuzzy Select tool. And it is going to outline the entire VW Beetle. Now, just going in a little bit with our magnifying tool, you see I have a pretty solid black line, so it's probably going to do a good job of outlining all of the white. There were no breaks. Notice the white extends all the way down the edge here of the wheel. If the wheel had extended to the edge of the canvas, I may have had to use my Fuzzy Select tool twice and maybe did an add to current selection, so I could say this selection and maybe I wanted this selection, and then I could have two selections. But it worked in this case. I'm going to go back to my magnifying glass and zoom out, and now all I need to do is hit the delete key, and it has removed all of the white from around my VW Beetle. I want to save this image with the transparency intact, so what I need to do is go down and export. So I'm going to export in a file type that will save transparency. So I need to put in PNG. PNG Portable Network Graphic File is going to save the transparency and say export. It's working on exporting the image, and now that I am going to say just leave all these defaults as they are and say export. And now it's saved a copy of my file, my PNG file, and my folder. You see the VW PNG, and now it has transparency around it. Hope this tutorial helps you remove white from a background, and until next time.